Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you some incredible tricks, transforming simple, often overlooked metal pieces like these bearings and rebar into versatile tools that can tackle a range of jobs. I'm taking 2 small bearings and a short piece of metal bar. I'll carefully weld a bearing onto each end of this bar. The goal here is to create a sturdy, independent rolling unit. Strong, clean welds are essential for this to hold up to future tasks. So I'm making sure each connection is solid before moving on. I'm precisely marking and cutting the welded bar right through the middle, effectively creating 2 smaller, identical sections. Then, I'm taking a sturdy bolt and a couple of nuts for each section. I'll thread the bolt through the bearing and secure it tightly with the nuts, creating a set of robust, free-spinning rollers perfect for guiding materials in bending operations. To build my first bending jig, I'm using a U-channel bar as the base. I'm positioning one of our finished roller units at one end and welding it securely. This foundation needs to be solid and precisely aligned to ensure accuracy and stability when we start bending heavier materials like rebar. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Next, I'm welding a smaller angle metal piece to the base, creating a guiding channel. Next, I will prepare another metal bar to use as a fixing point for the guide groove. These angles are designed to create consistent and sharp bends, helping maintain accuracy and preventing the material from slipping during the bending process. I'm welding a metal bar to form the lever handle for the tool. I'm welding 2 metal bars together to form a T-shape. This will be where I fine-tune the angle for sharper and more even bends. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. This double roller design is crucial. It allows the material to be fed in smoothly, providing both leverage and support for precise, and consistent bends. Moving on to the second tool, I'm taking a longer, smoother metal shaft and threading 2 bearings through each end. This creates a freely rotating central shaft. I have a metal bar bend at both ends. This will be the place to support the bending tool. Next, I'm securing the metal bar to the vise. I'm using an angle grinder to cut 2 short metal bars. I'll weld these bars to the bearings. These bars will be the height of the bending tool. I'll make sure all welds are strong and then clean off any slag. I'm using a U-shaped piece of metal to make a base for the second bending tool. I'm welding short metal rods with bearings to the base. I'm marking a small point on a smooth metal pipe. This hole will serve as an anchor point. Using a bench drill, I'm making a small hole on the main shaft. This step requires very high precision. As this hole will serve as an anchor point for the neck material, I'll wrap around to form a uniform coil. I have a flat piece of metal with a hole, and I'm threading a long bolt through it, then securing it with a nut. I'm threading a PVC pipe to the long bolt and securing it with a nut. This will be the handle for my homemade bending tool. I'm welding a hand crank to one end of a smooth metal pipe. I'm carefully cleaning the weld, and the homemade bending tool is complete. I'm starting to experiment with a bending tool using this long piece of steel wire. I'll thread the wire through the hole and begin wrapping it around the tube. With the crank, I'm easily bending the wire around the smooth metal tube. This process ensures a uniform and secure coil, forming a continuous, uniform, spring-like structure for various applications. The beauty of this design is how easily I can remove the finished coil from the pipe. With the wire perfectly coiled, I'm now taking an angle grinder to carefully cut along the coil. This swiftly transforms a long spring into many individual, open metal rings. This quick method allows me to create a consistent batch of rings efficiently. Now, I'm linking each of these newly cut rings together, one by one, to form a long metal chain. This handmade chain is not just for aesthetics. Its strength and flexibility make it highly adaptable for various practical applications. Moving on to a different kind of bending. This tool is designed to allow me to easily bend flat metal strips into sharp, clean angles. It's perfect for crafting custom stands, giving you professional-looking results every time. Several versatile tools crafted from everyday metal components and a little ingenuity. These DIY creations prove that with some creative thinking, you can tackle complex tasks with your own custom-made solutions. If you enjoyed these projects and found them inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me which of these tools was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.